Good morning, class 9. Welcome everyone to our social science lab manual class. In today's class, I will describe about the democratic politics from social science. And today I am going to discuss about activity number 5, which is present in your book page number 47. So students, let's start. In activity number 5, we are having 10 questions, and against each question space are provided to you all will write down only the answers on the given space. Question number 1 is name the highest court in the judicial hierarchy in India. Question number 2 is who appoints the Chief Justice of India. Question number 3 is name the procedure which is used to remove the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. Then question number 4 is under what circumstances can the salaries and allowances of the judges of the Supreme Court be reduced. Then question number 5, mention any one power of the Supreme Court which is not enjoyed by other courts. Question number 6 is what happens if either the parliament or a state legislature passes any law that is against the constitution. Then question number 7, mention any two disputes between the center or the states of the recent time period in which the Supreme Court has intervened. Then question number 8 is categorize the following cases under original, appellate and advisory jurisdictions. So 3 cases are here. You have to write down whether these cases are original, appellate or advisory jurisdictions. Then question number 9 is the Constitution of India has made necessary provisions for ensuring independence of judiciary. Justify your answer by giving 2 examples. So write only 2 examples here. And the last question is which is the highest court in a district. So you all have to write down only the answers on the given space. That's all for today, and this was activity number 5. Stay safe. Thank you.